The Kalamazoo Gospel Ministries is sharing a difficult decision that turned into a success story. This fall, the agency said it would need to limit its emergency shelter beds, which meant that guests could either join long-term programming or end up on the street. News Channel 3's Carter Landis joining us live tonight. And Carter, you spoke with the director who says that this transition has worked for everyone.
Yeah, it has, Jessica. He says it's been a significantly positive shift to that programming. Since they made the announcement, they've seen 124 people go to those programming beds, including 45 children. So we wanted to know what's been working.
Kalamazoo Gospel Ministries say they saw their downtown facilities overflowing with people in their emergency services. In October, they made the announcement that they would be limiting overflow overnight beds, hoping to encourage people to join their long-term programming. CEO John Simpson says those efforts have paid off.
We're really happy with the 124 folks that are now in a programming bed, involved with one of our programs and moving forward.
The long-term programming allows for guests to create their own plans for getting back on their feet, whether that be getting sober or finding a job. People are given case managers who help them take steps towards that plan, giving them the tools they need to thrive and succeed in a community long-term.
It's not a plan we're saying you've got to do our plan. We're saying, what's your plan? What are your goals? What do you want to accomplish?
Simpson says while the gospel ministries can encourage people to join the long-term programs, it's an individual decision the guest has to make. And the announcements made in August and October spurred action.
There's going to be a limited number of emergency services beds, and you've got to decide what you're going to do. And 124 folks so far have said, well, I'm going to join a program. And that has worked out beautifully for 124 of those folks and more.
Now, Simpson also says the work is not done once the guests leave the ministries and that follow-up is key. And with the winter almost in full swing and more guests expected to come to the ministries, Simpson will also direct guests to their other community partners to give them a network of support. In studio, Carter Landis, News Channel 3.